paper graphing. One of these days. See if I can find it. So graphing. And when we use graphing, especially with what we're talking about today, we use what we call a coordinate plane. And that's what this little thing right here is, a coordinate plane. And it's good to know how to do this because our entire Earth is split up into a coordinate plane. Right? When we what are those lines called? The coordinate plane is longitude and latitude, and that's how so much of our stuff in our world goes by where the longitude and latitude lines cross and stuff like that. So it's good to know how to do this coordinate graphing. And in order to do that, coordinate graphing, you use what we call ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Okay, and those ordered pairs have to have a parenthesis, and it's two sets of numbers set off or set apart by a comma. Okay, and you'll see a number, maybe it is 4, 5. Okay, there's a couple different ways to think about this. The 4, the first number given in an ordered pair is what we call the x number. Okay, or it is the number that says how far over. And the second number is the y number, and it's the number that tells how far up you go. And if you look at our graph here, we have the two axes, or axes, I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is the y-axis right here, and this is the x-axis right here. Okay, when you get older, there'll be a whole bunch of other parts over this. We only go in this, what we call this first quadrant here. There's all these over here when we start dealing with negative numbers here. And it's important to know that the place right here where you get 0, 0, that is called the origin. Kind of like the beginning of all that. So if I am looking for the ordered pair 4, 5 on my coordinate plane here, there's a couple different ways you can think about doing it. What you can do is find the number 4 on the x-axis, and find the number 5 on the y-axis, and follow those two lines until they cross. That is the point 4, 5. Okay. Another way to think about it is you can start at the origin, go over 4 and up 5. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, it gets you to the same point. It's kind of however you feel comfortable with it. What most people do wrong when they do this is they mix up which one of these is which one. Instead of 4, 5, they'll make it 5, 4 and put the point right here instead, or point right there instead. You have to keep straight. The first number is always the x. It's always how far over. And the second number is always how far up. So if we had, let's say we have 3, 7. Okay, 3, 7, here's 3 on the x, here's 7 on the y. The place where those two lines cross is the answer 3, 7. And a lot of people get mixed up, especially maybe when we do, when there's zeros in there. For example, 5, 0. 5, 0 means it goes over 5 and 0 up. So you go over 5 and it doesn't go up at all. That's 5, 0. If it was 0, 5, 0, 5, let's wait there, 0, 5, it goes over 0. In other words, it doesn't go at all over, but it goes straight up 5. So that's 0, 5. Let's see what else they asked us here. Yeah, and these ordered pair are also called the coordinates. The coordinates. It's an ordered pair. On yours, put the dot 8, comma 6. Jot me down what 8, comma 6 is on your thing, and label it so that you have it labeled. 8, comma 6 would be where? Point to me where 8, comma 6 is. Eight, comma 6. 8, comma 6. 8, comma 6. Okay, now I've already see a bunch of you already doing exactly what I said you can't do. You're getting mixed up. 8 is how far over you go, so you should start over. Let me put it in a different color. You should have gone over 8 and up 6. You shouldn't have gone up 6 and over, or up 8 over 6. It's over 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your point should be here. That is 8, comma 6. Okay, some of you I saw went up 8 and over 6, and you got the wrong point. You have to do the over. This is the x number, so you find it on the x-axis. That's the y number, the place where they cross is there. Wait.
Would we have to sketch this out on our paper? Or no?
The graphs? I think they'll probably give it to you, but you already have graph paper on your paper, so you don't really have to do a lot of sketching. It's already there. Just use the corners that you're given. Let's do another one. What about 3, comma 10? Where is the point 3, comma 10? 3, comma 10. 3, comma 10, make sure you label it, and make sure you put a parenthesis around it as well. The ordered pairs of coordinates always have parentheses around them. And there again, 3, comma 10, you should have gone over 3, up 10, place where they cross, right here should be 3, comma 10. It's not 10, comma 3, but 3, comma 10. Everybody's good with that? Perfect. Now you do need a blank piece of paper. Well, maybe not. Yeah, maybe so. Maybe not. Yeah, take out a blank piece of paper. Take out a